Hello guys, my name is King Jordan underscore reacts, and today we are playing WWE SuperCard. I am going to be claiming some rewards. I'm going to be claiming some Giants Unleashed rewards, PvP rewards, Wild Wednesday rewards. But today is a sad day for everyone in the SuperCard community. And sadly, yesterday we heard the news that this hard for me to say, but we lost a beloved member of the Supercard community. His name is Gotlat786. He was a big streamer in the Supercard community. He was beloved by everyone. He always, supported every streamer, and he was a big Alexa Bliss fan, and he was gone too soon. I never knew him, like, personally, but, the first time I was in his stream is when, King Kitten raided him before, and his vibe was pretty good, and, ever since that day, I've been a supporter of him and his community going forward. It was a strong community. I don't have much to say, to be honest, but I'm gonna miss him. I'm gonna miss hearing him say, "Welcome to the God Squad." I'm gonna miss him, and rest in paradise, Godlet. I'm gonna miss you, bro. Rest in paradise. Let's get into the TSG rewards first. I'm gonna claim those first. I got like 4th place in TSG, and I fell asleep, and we managed to win the TSG and stuff. So that's 4 exclusive picks right here, and 2 exclusive picks. Then I'm gonna go to TBG rewards that we won. Nothing too great. Oh, Indy Hartwell, Valentine's card, not bad. And then let's do Giants Unleashed reward. So let's go to here. Battled Hulk Hogan Maelstrom. Use that for the fusions and train up some cards. Drew Rick Boogs Valhalla, and Meyer Triple H and Maelstrom Edge. Next pack, Dom Mysterio Kushida. It's not looking great in the reward so far. Okay, Maelstrom Bushwhacker Butch Omas Valhalla. Gold pack, Rick Boogs. That's a pro in Royal Rumble. Ricochet. Alright. That's a single Ricochet. Another pack, blue pack, Omas, and the Great Khali. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Bronze pack, Matt Riddle, and Kevin Owens. Alright. One more pack to go from Giants, Cesaro, and Ash Carter. Man, I'm getting a lot of Valhallas. That's shocking. Stone Cold Steve Austin and Shawn Michaels. Now we are going to get to the PvP rewards, and I got Wild Wednesday to do after this. 1,600 super coins. We got the 5 momentum slots. I'm gonna start from the top. Normal, PvP, Biggie, Ricochet, Chad Gable. For the Academy. Plus pack, Dolph, Candice, King Kitten, Shinsuke Nakamura, Zoe Starch. That's a F2 or a F3. I think Candice a F1. The final pack. Could I get a Royal Rumble? Okay, all Maelstrom. Can I get a Valentine's? No. Sheamus is a pro. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so that's all the packs that I got. But I got the exclusive board to do. So we got 4. Kaylee Ray. Pull. Cesaro. That's a single. And Mace. And Miss Stational Sherry. I'm gonna do these picks. I'm trying to get a few envelopes to try to open another Valentine's pack because I'm still on the hunt for the Liv Morgan card. Oop, there's an envelope. I'm trying to get the Liv Morgan Pro. I got an F1 China Pro. I got a Pro Kevin Owens. I got a Liv Morgan single. And I got a Eddie Guerrero that I pulled not too long ago from a Survivor win. And I did win Survivor off camera. And I'm going to show you what I got from it. But it's a female and she's a single. And yeah, she's a single. She recently lost her tag match at the Elimination Chamber. Spoilers if you haven't seen it though. But yeah. Trying to finish the Super Pass. Finish week 4. This week 4 Super Pass is pretty simple. The only thing that's gonna be hard to do is mainly Wild Mode, because most people don't like Wild Mode because it's long. It's like 275 to do. Basically half of that is just undefeated in that game mode and stuff like that. And the biggest challenge is having your opponent call power matches, because that gets really annoying. They do power speed, power charisma, power toughness and stuff. It's just, I don't know. It's just weird, I guess. And that standpoint, I'm gonna finish the picks and see if I can get on the dust board. I am gonna make sure I lock in Cesaro, because now, since the update, now the top tier cards gets to be dusted. Ooh, Meyer. I think it was James Drake from Grizzly Young Veterans. Okay, lock in Cesaro and dust all 3,000 dust. That's a lot of dust. Alright, and then we dust AJ, Doink, and them. Let's see. How many envelopes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I got 4 envelopes from that. Currently, I'm at 58. I'm trying to grind up to this pack right here to see if I can pull this Liv Morgan card, which is a fan favorite. And my top 8. 2,352 Bobby Lashley. A half heroic Braun Breaker NXT champion. Kevin Owens Pro. A F2 Tony D'Angelo. F1 China. F1 Io Shirai. Now, I'm gonna show you all my Royal Rumbles. So recently, I pulled Charlotte Flair from my Survivor win. And yeah, I pulled her out of Survivor win not too long ago. And Zoe Starks is a F3. I haven't F3'd her yet, so I'm gonna F3 her pretty soon. Go to my combinables. So Rick Boogs is a pro. Bushwhacker Butch is a pro. Shamey is a pro. Candace is a F1. And that's pretty much what I got so far. These are all the Royal Rumble pros I got so far. No, F2 Tony, F2 Jay, F1 Taker, F1 Mello, F1 EO, F1 Hurricane, F1 Theory, Pro Rollins, Pro Kofi, Pro Trick Williams, Pro Molly Holly, Pro Martel Bartel, and Pro Julius Creed, and Pro Dana Brooke. I'm in King of the Rings, and hopefully I can win this King of the Ring for the Super Pass. And so far I got 20 out of 50 on the energies. I need some more picks. I got a lot of power matches I gotta go through. A lot of wild I'm gonna be doing today. And I got 5 more super moves and a lot more wild to do. But the final, I'll do a 25 ticket pack right now and do the Wild Wednesday last. So I'm gonna open one 25 ticket pack and see what I get. Oh, sorry. I pressed the wrong button. Becky Lynch Meyer, Maelstrom Edge, that's the pro. And yeah, some enhancements. This is the Wild Wednesday rewards, so I'm gonna claim the tickets. 4 tickets, 10 credits, a support, Meyer, Bobby Heenan. Let's get some train ups. SummerSlam 21 and a Meyer, that should help. And can I get a Royal Rumble 22 card? Because the first one I got was Martel Bartel, and now he's a pro, so let's see who I get. Nothing too great. Meyer Umaga, Maelstrom Cruz, and Amanda's Ford. Let me see if those are our combinables. So Edge is a pro. Defend. And that's pretty much it. Let me see. Do I want to? Let me start up a fusion. Do I have any? Do I have any fusions? No, I don't have any fusions to do. But I got a forged T-bar. So I'm gonna start up a fusion. Let's see. I'm gonna use Rick Boogs, Nash Carter, Pete Dunne. And yeah, start up that fusion. That's pretty much it. Let me open this pack that's been sitting here to end off the video. Ooh, Valhalla Undertaker. Well, that will be it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, leave a like on this video. Also, subscribe to the channel. That way you don't miss a upload. And, yeah, I'll see you in the next one. See ya, guys.